Are you ready to discover the best free AI tools in 2025? Here are 5 powerful tools you can start using today. Number 1. ChatGPT.
Write anything, anytime, powered by AI.
Number 2. Canva. Create stunning designs in just minutes.
Number 3. Notion AI.
Organize your work and boost productivity.
Number 4. Runway ML. Edit amazing video with the power of AI. Number 5. Gamma.
Make beautiful presentations instantly. These tools can save you time, boost your creativity, and make your work easier. Subscribe to Future Toolbox for more amazing AI tools and tips every week.